Okay, now that we have done with the food, we're gonna get your sister. We're gonna get your little sister Claire some clothes. Okay. Now come on. Okay, that was good. Do you like your new outfit? Yeah. Okay, good. Now you gotta stay. And I gotta work soon. So yeah. Okay, you gotta take a nap because it's been 2 hours already. But first, let's get changed. Now you really remember how to walk. Mimi, come in here. Huh? Yeah? You hold your sister's hand. Hold your sister for a second, and I'm teaching you how to walk. Yeah. 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 She did it. She took a few steps. Okay, but anyways, you gotta take a nap now. Good night. Okay, you go study and I'll go work. I don't want to study right now, but I have to. What if I can spell again? Look. Okay. Okay, 2 hours later. Okay, and this is definitely A. And finally B. I'm done. I actually meant to say 1 minute later and not like 2 minutes and not like 2 hours later, but whatever. Just pretend to say 1 minute later. Okay, now that I'm done, I can finally go to the beach. No. Okay, Mom. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi, you gotta get your swimsuit on because we're going to the beach. Really? Yay! Now I'm gonna go get my swimsuit on and keep an eye on your little sister. 2 hours later. Okay, I'm back. Now come on. Do you want to send me home? No, I will be home. Okay. Okay, we're here now. So do you wanna go? Okay, so you should go ahead and call it more. Yeah, it's a good one. Let's play the kids. I'm okay. One's a 9, one's 2 and chocolate too. Okay.